Iscar tool assemblies. New times dictate new demands for cutting tool manufacturers in a smart factory environment. Simply supplying tools and assisting in their application, including planning machining operations, is not enough. The modern metalworking industry requires virtual, non-material solutions that will be an essential feature of product lines tomorrow. From technologists working on process planning, engineers designing tool assemblies or preparing the tooling part of a complex key project, and CNC programmers checking a tool path in a CAD/CAM environment, to application specialists optimizing machining operations, and even sales managers assisting in selecting a more effective tool, all might spend hours adopting tool manufacturers' tool data to the customer's software. Essential data transfer is conducted via an STP file with a P21 extension, which stores a text code related to the parametric values of the product. In addition, the P21 file provides the name of the 3D file of a specific product. ISO 13399 stipulates the P21 file, which can be transferred between computer platforms for CAD and CAM users. Recognizing the value of providing accessible and accurate tool data for pre-machining on the shop floors, Iscar incorporated tool assembly options into ECAT, its comprehensive electronic catalog. A digital twin representation of the tool assembly is generated based on the ISO 13399 standard, which guarantees the successful communication between current and future software support in a digitized smart factory. The assembly ensures fast, reliable simulation of the operation, as well as collision, interference checking, tool path optimization, and the design of work-holding fixtures. As the selected machining method affects the forces acting on workpieces, and a tool configuration influences the shape of work-holding elements, simulating the operation with the use of the tool assembly model may be considered as an effective instrument for work-holder design. During the next stage of this video, we will show how to create a tool assembly. 1. Choose an item for assembly from Iscar's ECAT. 2. Then search for a related item such as the insert. 3. Search again for a related item, such as the tool holder. 4. Click on the Build Assembly option to view the results. 5. View the assembly as a 2D representation, which also enables you to download a DXF file from Iscar's vast library of tools and inserts. View the assembly as a 3D representation in either a detailed or light view. This option enables you to download either an STP Lite called STPL or STP Detailed model called STPD. The ability to plan and examine single and multiple tool assemblies in the early stages of manufacturing is an extremely valuable source of time and cost saving. Iscar believes that ensuring such a possibility should be an integral feature of any cutting tool manufacturer's product mix. The tool assembly options offer an appropriate and effective answer to the needs of modern metalworking, and more ECAT tool assembly applications are close at hand to assist metalworking manufacturers in the evolving world of Industry 4.0.